In this video, we're going to take a closer look at Thingiverse.com and think about some of the ways that we can use this digital resource to help to improve our designs in Tinkercad. So first thing we'll do is we'll go to Thingiverse.com. You'll be able to find the link for this in Google Classroom. And what you'll find when you go into Thingiverse.com is a large library of STL files, which are the types of files we're creating in Tinkercad that can be 3D printed, really of anything you can think of. There's a massive library that all their users have uploaded, and we're going to take a closer look at how we can actually work with these in our designs in Tinkercad and add them to the designs that we've already created. So there is a search bar up here at the top of the screen. We can use this to search for a certain topic. Some classes have been doing a roller coaster design in Tinkercad. So we'll search that up and we'll see what's available. We can look through and find some of these other designs that people have created. If we notice one that we think looks interesting, we can select that design. We'll use this train car one, for example, with these people in it. When you open the design, it will show you a preview and some images of what the objects would look like once they have been 3D printed. And down below, you'll see something that says Thing Files. Now, this is where we can start to take some steps to add these items into our designs in Tinkercad. So we click on Thing Files. It will show us the different files that are involved with this particular print, and we can choose which ones we would like to download. So for now, we'll just do this flying person STL. We'll simply download it. Wait for it to download completely. And then we can go back to Tinkercad. We can open our design. I'll create a new design for this video. And we can actually import that file that we just downloaded into Tinkercad. Looks like it's still downloading. Let's try it out. We'll click Import over here. Choose a file. We'll look in our Downloads folder. We'll select the file that we just downloaded and we'll click Open. It will show us some different settings here. It'll give us an option to import. And when we do that, it will take a moment to load. And then we can see we have our file that's been added into Tinkercad. We can take a closer look. And what's pretty helpful is once we import this, we can actually manipulate it the same way that we would use any of our shapes within Tinkercad. So if you select the object, we can actually play around with the scaling. So when we're talking about scaling, it's when we're making an object larger or smaller, changing the size and scaling it up or down. We can also change the proportions. If we want to stretch something out in a certain direction, we can do that. And we can add types of things like this into our designs.